What are you doing?
Hey Maura, are we on?
We are.
Right, this is the end of the second week of us doing our new healthy living, and I'm pleased to report that we both feel a lot more alert.
Yeah.
And the spots seem to have gone, which is, I'm really pleased about that. And I have lost £5 after 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And Mart has lost three pounds
In 2 weeks?
and a bit, haven't you? In 2 weeks as well.
Not much.
So
£3.
£3. So that seems like a really healthy amount. It's not like too much of a drastic amount, but it seems to be working. Seems to be fitting in jeans I've not had on for a while, and there has been a shift in certain parts of the body. I think under here I've lost 1.5 inches and half an inch of my arms, but pretty much everything else is about the same. So we will see what happens. So yeah, so far so good. We're doing all right.
This is good. Now what are you doing?
Well, we're trying new foods and stuff. So I bought this because you can have cream on this diet, right? Which is, you know, most diets. Well,
But you can't have cream.
I can't have cream because dairy don't like me. It makes me throw up and other stuff. And it's not nice. So I thought I'd try this lactose cream, and Ma made me this this mud pie that I showed you last time. I've still got it, so I've not, you know, like had it all in one go. But I was wondering if I melted a bit of this and then got some cream and whisked it up a bit and put it together.
Yeah.
How that would be.
I don't know.
I don't know, so I'm going to have a try. I'll probably make a mess because I'm not normally allowed in the kitchen, am I?
No.
I've popped the chocolate mixture in the microwave.
Take it out about 30 seconds and mix it.
Oh, okay. Right, hold on. We're coming up to that then. Please hold. Oh yeah, it's already warming up, that is, yeah. So we've got that. My favourite spoon.
There you go.
Oh yeah, it's already squidgy around the edges.
Yeah. It's funny that way, chocolate.
There we go. Right. Let's just try a bit, make sure it's still alright.
Now you're going to take a little bit of it, or are you going to mix the whole thing of the chocolate into your...
No, well, what if it's not good and then I've ruined it?
Yeah, that's a good point. So you're going to need to put that in a bowl with high sides if you're going to use the electric mixer.
So I'm putting this...
Does it have instructions on it?
Oh yeah, maybe I should read it. Oh yeah, you can whip it, cook it and pour with it. Right, job of the good one. So I'm going to put some in here. Might do. Right. That looks good, right?
Yeah.
Right. Well, let's not waste none. That tastes nice actually.
Does that?
Yeah. Right. Okay. Oh, that looks so nice. Look at that now. Oh, it's lovely, doesn't it, that?
There's no sugar added.
Come on, Katie. Get you on
It's our kitchen helper, Katie. Little Miss Kate.
Hello. She's the hardest working member of the team, isn't she?
If you use Kate to fold that together, it might come nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is like a chocolate mousse.
Yeah, look at that.
So in here you've got Dutch processed cocoa powder.
Yep.
You've got butter, goat's butter.
Goat's butter.
Almonds.
Chopped up.
Almond butter. And a little tiny bit of lard. Like a teaspoon of it. To give you some extra fat. Because, you know, that's what you need.
That's right nice, that.
Is it? That means,
Oh, yeah.
That means really good.
Mm. Oh, wow. Yay! Pudding! We found a pudding! Mm.
You're a chocolate fanatic, are you not?
I love chocolate. I miss me chocolate. Really nice from our tomatoes.
You've got chocolate all over your lips.
Yeah, good. That's the way it should be. Mm. Right, so
Let's see it.
there it is. Little mousse.
Yeah?
Dairy free.
Yeah?
So it worked. Never had this product before. So this lactose free.
Lacto-free. Arla? A-R-L-A.
Arla, yeah. Cream.
Where'd you get it? Sainsbury's?
Sainsbury's, yeah.
In our most
And
recent
it's
shopping
got,
adventure.
it's not too high, is it, on the carb? It's like...
So that container is 250 milliliters. And it's how many carbs per 100?
Per 100 is 2.8.
Okay. And you've had probably what out of there? Half of it?
No, less than half I put in.
So you've got 2.8 carbs plus, yeah, plus your chocolate and whatnot, which
Yeah.
had no sugar, so there's no carbs in the chocolate, sugar-free chocolate.
Okay. Mmm. Mmm.
It's a happy Netty.
Oh, and I just got a note. Hey.